Okay, here the model is differentiation of one function with respect to that another function, that is differentiation y, that is nothing but differentiation y of x with respect to z of x. That is, we need to find, that is find dy by dz. How we find? So given that y equal to y of x, it is same form of parametric form, similarly to the parametric form, similar to the parametric form. First find dy by dx, nothing but d by dx of y of x, that is nothing but y dash of x, and z equal to another function z of x. Find dz by dx, that is nothing but d by dx of z of x, that is z dash of x. We need to find dy by dz, that is dy by dz equal to dy by dx divided by dz by dx. It is same as the parametric form. Okay. The first question is, differentiate e power tan inverse x with respect to tan inverse x. With respect to tan inverse x. The solution is so first this is differentiate y. This form is, what is the form? Differentiate y with respect to z. So we find, what we find? We find that dy by dz. Dy by dz is nothing but dy by dx by dz by dx. So first we find the dy by dx and next find dz by dx. Find dy by dx. That is y equal to, here y equal to e power tan inverse x. We find the dy by dx. So y is in the form of x. That is d by dx of e power tan inverse x. E power x model. E power x, differentiation of e power x. E power x is e power x. Again we differentiate the tan inverse x. So we get that e power tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square. This is dy by dx. And next, z equal to tan inverse x dz by dx, that is nothing but d by dx of tan inverse x. What is this one? 1 by 1 plus x square. So we get that dy by dz, that is dy by dz is equal to dy by dx by dz by dx. dy by dx e power tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square. by dz by dx 1 by 1 plus x square. So we get that e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel, and we get that e power tan inverse x. This is nothing but dy by dz. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈ ఫామ్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. డిఫరెన్షియేట్ ఈ పవర్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ x విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు tan ఇన్వర్స్ x. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫామ్? డిఫరెన్షియేట్ y విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు z. అంటే వైని విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు జెడ్తో డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి. అంటే అర్థం ఏమి? dy బై dz అని అర్థం. dy బై dz అంటే ఏమి? dy బై dx divided by dz by dx. So first we find the dy by dx, that is the y equal to, here what is y? E power tan inverse x. We find the dy by dx, that is d by dx of e power tan inverse x. What is the basic formula? E power tan inverse x and e power x. That is, what is the formula? Here we have d by dx of e power x equal to e power x. This is a model. Okay, this formula is this one. Again ఇది x కాదు, tan inverse x కాబట్టి again differentiate d by dx of tan inverse x, that is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square. And next we have the z equal to tan inverse x, dz by dx, differentiation of tan inverse x, nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square. Then we written as dy by dz. So dy by dz nothing but dy by dx by dz by dx. So finally we get that e power tan inverse x. This is the first problem. Next, second one, differentiate tan inverse of log x with respect to log of tan inverse x. Log of tan inverse x. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే so first we have a form. What is the form? The form is differentiate y with respect to z. That is, we find dy by dz. So dy by dz is nothing but dy by dx divided by dz by dx. So first here we have y equal to dy by d. We need to find dy by dx, that is the y equal to tan inverse of log x. దీన్ని కంపేర్ చేస్తాం. సో y equal to tan inverse of log x, dy by dx nothing but d by dx of tan inverse of log x. What is the form dy by x of tan inverse x? Differentiation of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. X plus లేవుంది మనకు log x into d by dx of log x. ఇది x కాదు, log x కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తాం. 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 by x. This is the dy by dx. And next z equal to, what is z? Log of tan inverse x. So we need to find dz by dx, that is nothing but d by dx of log of tan inverse x. log x దీని అంతా ఏమనుకుంటామంటే assume x. log x nothing but 1 by x. and again we differentiate tan inverse x, that is 1 by tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square. This is dz by dx. So finally we need to get that dy by dz, that is dy by dx by dz by dx. So we get that what is the value? 1 by 1 plus log x whole square into 1 by x divided by 1 by tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square. So we get that tan inverse x into 1 plus x square divided by x into 1 plus log x whole square. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే మెయిన్గా ఓకే, సో మనం మెయిన్గా ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి, ఏమి ఏ ఫామ్లో ఉంది అని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ y విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ విత్ z. y అంటే ఏమి? tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ log x. z అంటే ఏమి? log ఆఫ్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ x. సో ఫైనల్గా మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే dy బై dzని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ y కెన్ బి రిటర్న్, y ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ x, కాబట్టి dy బై dx చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ ఏమంటే tan ఇన్వర్స్ x. tan ఇన్వర్స్ x ఫార్మ్ ఏమి? డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ x ఈజ్ 1 by 1 plus x square. కానీ ఇక్కడ x లేదు, log x ఉంది, కాబట్టి log x whole square. Again we differentiate the log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. And next z equal to log of tan inverse x, nothing but dz by dx equal to log x. ఇది log of tan inverse x అంటే దీన్ని x అనుకుంటాం. log x nothing but 1 by x. And again we differentiate this one, d by dx of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. సో ఫైనల్గా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. dy బై dz అంటే dy బై dx బై dz బై dx సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తాం, అంతే, ఏం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్, differentiate e power 4x square with respect to root of 1 plus x square. That is solution. This form is differentiate y with respect to z. That is y equal to e power 4x square and z equal to root of 1 plus 4x square. We find, ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా మనము? we need to find that dy by dz. That is dy by dz is nothing but similarly it is same as the parametric form, dy by dx by dz by dx. So first find dy by dx, find dy by dx, that is y equal to e power 4x square. We find the dy by dx, nothing but d by dx of 4x square. E power 4x square, it is the form is this is equal to e power x. E power x is e power x. Again we differentiate the d by dx of 4x square. This is nothing but e power 4x square into 4 is a constant. For x square it is nothing but 2x. Finally we get that 8x into e power 4x square. This is dy by dx. And next, z equal to root of 1 plus 4x square. We find out చేయాలా మనము dz by dx. d by dx of root of 1 plus 4x square. Root x అంటే ఏమి 1 by 2 root x. And again we differentiate that 1 plus 4x square. So finally we get that 1 by 2 root of 1 plus 4x square into differentiation of 1 0, 4 into differentiation of x square nothing but 2x. So finally we get that 8x by 2 into 1 plus 4x square. Okay. So we get that dy by dz, this is dy by dx by dz by dx. So dy by dx 8x into e power 4x square by 8x by 2 into 1 plus 4x square. 8x క్యాన్సిల్, ఇది పైకి పోతుంది. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది మనకు 2 into e power 4x square into 1 plus x square. So this is the answer. ఇక్కడ మనం మెయిన్గా అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సిందంటే ఈ ఫామ్ని అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి, ఏమి ఇది అనేది. సో బేసిక్ ఫార్ములాస్ అనేది అవసరం. Fourth one, differentiate log of cos x with respect to the cos of log x. Solution is so first, what is the model? The form is differentiate y with respect to z. That is, we find dy by dz. So here that y equal to log of cos x and z equal to cos of log x. So first y equal to log of cos x, we find that dy by dx nothing but dy by dx of log of cos x. Differentiation of log x, that is 1 by x into d by dx of cos x. This is nothing but 1 by cos x into minus sin x. Okay. This is dy by dx. Next, z equal to cos of log x. Find dz by dx. dz by dx equal to d by dx of cos of log x. Cos x nothing but a minus of sin of log x into again we differentiation of d by dx of log x. So we get that minus sin log x into 1 by x, and this is nothing but a minus tan x, sin by cos minus tan. So therefore we find that dy by dz nothing but dy by dx by dz by dx. So dy by dx nothing but what is the value? The value equal to minus tan x by minus sin of log x into 1 by x. x cancel. సో ఇంకేం మిగులుతుందంటే మనకు x ఇంటూ tan x by x పైకి పోతుంది, x ఇంటూ tan x by sin of log x. దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ dy by dz. సో ఇక్కడ మనం మెయిన్గా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలంటే ఏమి ఫామ్ ఇది, డిఫరెన్షియేట్ y విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు z అంటే ఏమి, మనం dy by dz కనుక్కోవాలి. సేమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సేమ్ యాజ్ ది పారామెట్రిక్ ఫామ్. dy by dz అంటే ఏమి, dy by dx by dz by dx. dy by dx కనుక్కుంటాము, dz by dx కనుక్కుంటాము, సింప్లిఫై చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ fifth one, differentiate tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square with respect to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేసేటప్పుడు డిఫరెన్షియేట్ y with respect to z. So y equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square and z equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. y xలో ఉంది, ఇది డైరెక్ట్గా సింప్లిఫై చేయలేము. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్, అప్లై ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ మోడల్. ఫైండ్ dy by dx and dz by dx. Apply transformation. That is y equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Substitute x equal to tan theta. Then theta equal to tan inverse of x. Y equal to tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So finally we get that y equal to tan inverse of, this is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is nothing but tan 2 theta. ఈ ట్యాన్ ఈ ట్యాన్ ఇన్వర్స్ క్యాన్సల్ అవుతుంది, ఇంకేం మిగులుతుందంటే మనకు 2 theta. y equal to 2 into theta, theta అయిన అదే theta is nothing but tan inverse x. So we find the dy by dx nothing but d by dx of tan inverse of x. So that is nothing but differentiation of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. So finally we get that 2 by 1 plus x square. This is dy by dx. Next z equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So apply transformation. That is, substitute x equal to tan theta, then theta equal to tan inverse of x, that is cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So that is cos inverse of 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square theta. This is nothing but a cos 2 formula. This formula is cos 2 theta. E cos inverse cancel అవుతుంది. 2 theta. 2 into theta is nothing but a tan inverse of x. So this is a z. We find the dz by dx. 2 into d by dx of tan inverse of x. 1 plus x square. That is 2 by 1 plus x square. So finally, dy by dz, this is nothing but dy by dx by dz by dx. What is dy by dx? 1 by 1 plus x, 2 by 1 plus x square, and this is same as 2 by 1 plus x square. This 2 will be cancelled. So dy by dz equal to 1. The value equal to 1. సో ఈ మోడల్లో మనకు మెయిన్గా ఏముందంటే ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంది. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ చేసి తర్వాత దీన్ని చేయాలి. సో dy అనేది ఎక్స్లో ఉంది, దీన్ని డైరెక్ట్గా సింప్లిఫై చేయలేం కాబట్టి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ మోడల్ అప్లై చేస్తాం. ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ అంటే ఏమి? ఎక్స్ని తీటాలో కన్వర్ట్ చేసినాము, తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తామంటే లాస్ట్ ఫైనల్గా ఎక్స్లో మారుస్తాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు x equal to tan theta రాస్తాం. then theta equal to tan inverse x. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta అంటే ఏమి? tan 2 theta. tan inverse క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు y ఏమవుతుందంటే 2 theta, and we substitute theta equal to tan inverse x, and we find the dy by dx, nothing but 2 by dx of tan inverse x. tan inverse x అంటే ఏమి? 1 by 1 plus x square. So finally we get the dy by dx equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. And similarly, z equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Apply transformation, that is x equal to tan theta, then theta equal to tan inverse x. Substitute the value, then we get that cos inverse of cos 2 theta. cos inverse cancel అవుతుంది. ఇంకా మనకేముంటుంది అంటే ఈ cos inverse cancel అయి మిగులుతుంది, 2 theta మిగులుతుంది. Substitute the theta, then we get that 2 into tan inverse of x. Finally we get that dy by dx equal to dy by dx by dz by dx. Substitute చేస్తాం. ఆన్సర్ ఎంత వస్తుందంటే మనకు 1. Last one is 6th question. Differentiate cos inverse of 4x cubed minus 3x with respect to sin inverse of x. So this form is, సో ఇక్కడ మనకు ఏం రాయొచ్చు అంటే డిఫరెన్షియేట్ y with respect to z, that is y equal to cos inverse of 4x cubed minus 3x and z equal to sin inverse of x. Find dy by dz. So this is nothing but, so we have a formula. What is the formula? The formula is cos inverse of 4x cubed minus 3x. This is nothing but 3 cos inverse of x. That is nothing but y equal to 3 cos inverse of y. We have written as a dy by dx, nothing but d by dx of 3 cos inverse of x. This is equal to three into minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is the one. That is nothing but minus 3 by root of 1 minus x square. And z equal to sin inverse of x. dz by dx equal to d by dx of sin inverse of x. Sin inverse 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Then we get the, finally we get that dy by dz, that is nothing but dy by dx by dz by dx. So nothing but what we get, minus 3 by root of 1 minus x square by 1 by root of 1 minus x square. ఇది క్యాన్సల్ అవుతుంది. మనకి ఏం మిగులుతుంది అంటే మనకు dy by dz ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 3. సో దీన్ని మన ఫార్ములా కింద గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటాం. కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 4x cubed minus 3x equal to 3x. The remaining are the same.